Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Krishna Gopal. In this video, we're going to talk about the part 2 of the A Day in the Life of a Data Scientist. We are discussing the data visualization and we are making a report from the ongoing competition in the Kaggle, that is the 2021 Kaggle survey and data science survey, that competition. So in the last video, the part 1 which I'm talking about, in the last video we see how we can draw the bar plot with the help of the matplotlib, then how we can give these numbers, what is the role of the label, what is the role of the legend, and we just analyze the first question from the data set, and that's all we did in the last video. As in the last video I told, we're going to do this survey based on the gender distribution. That means the number of the males and the number of females and their participation, and we're going to compare how they are participated in 2021. So let's first do the very important thing, like give the this notebook name, that's the gender distribution. So go to here and we give gender. So now we have our notebook have a name, and let's see how many male and females are in the different age group, and let's see which age group have more number of males and which age group have more number of females. So today this is our agenda and we're going to discuss about it. So let's start the video. So what I'm going to do, the question 2 is about the man and the woman, and first we're going to see what is in the question 2. So what we're going to do, we simply write the df q2 dot value counts, and let's see what it is there. Okay, so that much men's are there, that much women's are there, and there is a 3 different kind of a category: prefer not to say, non-binary, and self-describe. So we have the total 5 number of categories. Like now we're going to see how many males are in which age group and how many females are in which age group. That is a total number of men and women. Let's see how we do that one. So I have to be loop over the index of this. So I already saved it, the index, and I'm going to do the loop over this. What I'm going to do for gender in this and what I'm going to do. So let's create a dictionary where we have to be save the man, the age group, and the what is the total number of mans are there. So for that I just create one dictionary here, gender dict. Okay, and then we loop gender dict, we give the gender, and what we want to see, we want to see df q2 is gender. This is very simple for loop q1, and the value counts you want to see, value counts you want to see, and let's run it. We see what come in our dictionary first before moving forward. Okay, so man, in 25 to 29 age group we have 3859 mans, whereas woman, talk about the woman 18 to 21 we have the 1117 woman, number of women. So more a good kind of analysis is that this little bit the dictionary is not much interpretable compared to data frame. Let's convert the dictionary into data frame. How we do that one, we define the df new variable, and we see the pd dot data frame, and we give the gender dict, and let's display. You can see you can give the print also. So we have the result, but we not have the index name. So let's say give the index name. How we give is df dot index dot rename. We give age group, sound good, is group, and it should be pronounced. So in place is equal to 2. Perfect, what do you want? So the age group 18 to 21 we have this much man, this much woman, and this much is that. If talk about from the tail 70 plus, in the age group of the 70 plus, we have the 110 man, whereas only another thing, if you notice in this data frame, what you can notice here, for the man in the age of 25 to 29, I'm talking about it, we have maximum number of men, right? Yes, I'm right. And whereas 18 to 21 women are more, that means younger women are participating more towards the data science. Again, the now compared to data frame, the which is more interpretable, the visualization is more interpretable. Again, I'm going to draw the bar plot like the same as previous, but little bit change, and you see how we will plot it. So for the for the plot, let's remove it. What we're going to do, we're going to define our figure, our ax1, that is the x-axis, plt dot subplots. We give the big size, I give the 24. Now what the next, we're going to draw the bar plot. So ax1 dot bar, and what I want to draw actually hdf. Now we have the hdf, not df, so hdf, the index is definitely the age group in the x-axis should come, and hdf should come in the math. And similarly for women as well, then we can give the color. The default widths between the bars is 0.8, which is already in the matplotlib, but if you want to change, you can change. For now I'll let it be 0.8, but we change the color, orange, red. Label you can give the man, and same thing you can do the hair for the woman as well. And the same thing you have to do again the title, and that's all. You copy from above. Okay, so we are copying from above here. I go to here. The X level is age group, age count, and title is distribution, is distribution across gender in 2021. Okay, perfect. That's what we want. The men's are more in 25 to 29, and we can see the bar is more. But let's again present the number for the man and woman differently. So how we do? We are again going to use the annotation like we used yesterday. So what actually it is? So for index in df is df dot index ax1 dot annotation, and what will be our value is df, definitely the man, and like lock the index, and that's perfect. I think what we can do xy is what we can do the age, we can give the again lock the index. I think it will work, but I'm not pretty sure. Let's see, it will work. And then we give the HA is we want in center, we want center, and you can give the font size. You can give 18. Same you can do for the woman as well. Oh, we have write the annotation, we have to write annotate. Sorry, my bad. Okay, that's perfect. We want in our result. So this is your curve or the age distribution across the gender in 2021. We only focus majorly on the man and woman. We not analyze all the 5 categories because they have the very less number of people. So you just see, so we are more interested like how many men and how many women are more participating in the Kaggle survey. So that's all for this, And so now if we move to the question number third is in a countries. So let's see what are the countries first given in the data set. So dfq3 dot value dot count, same like previous, value counts, describe. So total 25973, the unique is 66, and India is the toppest, which occur frequently 7434 times in the data frame. So we are more interested in value dot counts, but we have the total 66 countries, so it's a little bit tricky to analyze all the countries in one picture. So what I'm going to do, I'm only going to select the top 10 countries and we're going to see what is their participation. So to select the top 10 countries, what we're going to use, we're going to use definitely the head, but how df is equal to df q3 dot value, the top countries we want, so we do the value dot count, value counts, and then we give the head. We want only 10 countries, and this is what we get. So we get the India, United States of America, others I think who not mention the country's name in the survey, Japan, China, and the Pakistan. We get these are the 10 countries we get. So what we're going to see when we do the univariate analysis, the one of the most powerful visualization graph is the pie chart. With the pie chart you can see how many areas covered with one variable in that in the univariate analysis, when we have the different kind of categories in that data frame. So let's we see how we can draw the pie chart. So for the pie chart we want two things, one is the label, one is the size, but let me define the first figure size. So we just copy from here and paste it here, and what we're going to do, ax1 dot pie, and if we have confusion, then definitely go to the Google and search about it. You go to here, go to the documentation, that is the best source to study about it, and this is the pie chart we want. So if we don't know about what it will be, just as you do the practice you will be know. So just copy from here and paste it here. That's really time saving. Now we not want to cut, we want to draw the simple pie chart. We have the size and labels, we not define the labels, so let me define what is our labels. So labels is what our index, so df dot index, right, and what is our sizes, df dot values, right, if I'm not wrong. Okay, we get this much things, we want to clean it. So how we clean it, we go here, first you give the equal axis, so ax1 dot axis, this is perfect what we want. But don't forget to mention about the title in any kind of a visualization, so we have to give the title. So what will the title we have give, plt dot title, we give the top 10 countries, and if you want to give the font size, you can give the font size, give 26. If you want to give the color, you can pass some color. For me, coming in line with the red. Countries, I think it's okay. And more what you can do from here. When you see this visualization is not look too much good, because United Kingdom of the Great Britain and Northern Ireland, you have this much big name, where you can replace this name with a very short form, the UK, United States of America, you can present with USA. So let's reduce the length. That's what we are going to do. We're going to perform some kind of a cleaning in the next video. I hope you like this video and you learn about the pie chart and the bar plot. If you want to study about more about the pie chart, go to the documentation, because the documentation is the best place to study and do the practice. Even I not remember what's this syntax, so I just copy and paste as you see, because we spend a lot of time in the data cleaning, in the data visualization, but more with compared to that we spend more time in kind of a googling. So let's see, you do the practice and you will become the perfect. I hope you like this video, and that's all for this video. In the next video we're going to perform the more analysis, and thank you to watch this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and bye bye. Take care.